part 3 of the Vivid Sydney program that I'll be looking at, and I'm looking at the Darling Harbour installations. And they really are Darling Harbour installations because they've not used the goods line this year. Usually you can walk through the goods line from Central Station onwards and then you can follow the Darling Harbour installations from there. But this year they've taken off the goods line for Vivid and also Martin Place. So they've cut down some of the public venues, unlike in previous years. So let's start off with 32 Laniakea. So that is still coming from the Barangaroo end. So I suppose the best way is to catch a train from Wynyard and just walk down there just to start it off. Or you could start it off from the central station and then start it off at 43. But let's continue. Let's be methodical about this and do it in numerical order. Number 33 is Mythical Mashup. So Cosmic Chase. And I'm wondering if that is projection on the Maritime Museum. Okay, number 34 is Mythical Mashup Floating Realm. So hopefully there's something there, but why would you put it there in the middle of the bay? Just because of some of the boat traffic, but we shall see what it is in reality. 35 is Musical Mind, so now it's on the eastern side of Darling Harbour, so it's on land. 36 is the drone show, so that is going to be the centrepiece there for this year at Darling Harbour. 37 is Laser Lightfall. I did see some spheres at the Darling Harbour side. I couldn't really view it from where I was on the ferry, but I did see some circular spheres there. 38 is the Piano Walk. So perhaps you walk on the piano keys and maybe it makes a tune or a sound. 39 is Lumiverse Transporter. 40 is After Image, a projection matte mural, so that's now in Tumbalong Park. 41 is Vox Elevated. So Vox is voice, so voice elevated. Hopefully that's an interactive installation. 42 is Continuum, and the final installation this year is the Daydream Machine. And S3 is the Food Bank Truck Packer, so that's sponsored installation. And F2 is the Tumbalong Park, so maybe they'll have the DJ here again. So just looking back at how they've changed it this year compared to last year, I'm trying to look where the fire kitchen is. So F1 is now here at Barangaroo, and perhaps F2 would be the food. Maybe that's the food installation. Maybe that's what F stands for. So here you go. Here's your guide. Well, my personal guide to the Vivid Sydney 2026 installations. I'll probably do at least 3 nights for this just to enjoy and take in and process the different art installations. Whatever they say about Vivid, it is a great way to display public art in such a publicly accessible, publicly walkable, safe city like Sydney. So I hope you enjoy Vivid this year.